warm welcome to a great RESTORE 2022 conference. It's great to be together again.
I missed you. I missed this. I missed us. But we're back together.
This is an awesome group. I hope everybody enjoys tonight. Enjoy your breakout sessions first, please.
The general session today was incredible. The speaker, Simon T. Bailey, gave us so much perspective.
He was phenomenal. It was a great experience.
When we show up to Restore and they see the care in our eyes, we're saying, I got you, we got this, and it's gonna be okay.
It was really motivational and inspirational. A lot of good takeaways.
I've enjoyed the breakout sessions.
I really love the variety that's provided, and you can pick and choose. There's something for everybody.
Actually, just learned a lot of stuff about Xactimate that I'm very excited to get back in the office and use tomorrow.
Technology is continually advancing in our areas, and staying on top of that's pretty important, being able to stay at the top performance.
But it gives you like these little tips, these little tricks, just helps kind of refine what you're doing and make you do it a little bit better.
You gain a lot of knowledge just based off the information that they pass down. I'll take it back to my company and pass it along to my employees and make us a better company.
Looking forward to getting into the hall tonight to just see the exhibitors and what they have to offer.
Man, the exhibit hall was very exciting. I enjoyed meeting all the new different vendors, and I really appreciate Contractor Connection for having us.
Oh, I just love the interaction and being able to hang out with everybody, my friendly competitors. Hey, Richard.
First of all, we all here do the same thing, so I'm very excited to be with people in one room. We all do the same thing, we all speak the same language, we understand each other, and it's awesome.
It's very heartwarming that we're back to normal and the world can go on with everything that's going on in the world. It's good to meet nice people.
Being away for 2 years has made it really tough. It's a morale booster, and all of our leaders come back fired up and so excited to share all of their new information with the rest of our team that we can feel the vibration from the experience of the conference for months after. And you know, I can't wait to be in New Orleans next year.